Every time I buy a new phone and I'm upgrading, I really don't transfer every little thing because I'm basically taking up a lot of memory on my new phone on things that I'm not going to go back to read or watch or even look at. So let me tell you about the most important things you need to transfer to your new phone and leave all that other stuff off your new phone. Alright, so when I transfer to a new phone, basically what I really importantly need is my contacts. And another thing is my calendar events. But everything else becomes like a choice for me, like text messages. Now 9 times out of 10, none of us goes back and read text messages that was sent to us from 2 or 3 years ago. So they just sit in the phone taking up space and we never go back to really review those things. Stuff that you accumulate in apps like WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is an app that collects a lot of stuff. Every time you send a picture to somebody, an animated GIF, any little thing, WhatsApp store those things on your phone. So they're not sitting in the cloud somewhere where you can just access it somewhere else. It's being stored on your phone. So the WhatsApp alone is really taking up a lot of space on your device. And like I said, 9 times out of 10, we don't go back and see that stuff. Sometimes we leave text messages in our phone of people that we're not even communicating with anymore. You're just accumulating all that stuff up and then you take it and transfer it to your new phone. If there's pictures in your phone that you've been accumulating of ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-wife, ex-husband, then get rid of that stuff. Unless you really just want to keep those memories. And if you have apps that you know you're not going to use anymore, just get rid of that too. Don't transfer all that junk over to your new phone. Have a clean slate. It's like taking stuff from one house when you move into a new house and you know you don't need it anymore, but you take it there anyway, and then months later you end up sending it to Goodwill. So just transfer the most important things to your new phone and get rid of all of that junk before you take it over. So that's what I do. I don't transfer a whole bunch of stuff to my new phone, especially text messages that I know I'm not going to ever read again. And if there's a lot of pictures that I'm not going to look at again, get rid of it. Apps that I'm not going to use, I get rid of it. So when I transfer it to my new phone now, I have the bare minimum. And like I said, my contacts and my calendar event are 2 of the most important things I usually transfer to my new phone. Now, if I accumulate a lot of pictures, I try to take those off my phone and store them on my computer, back them up in the cloud, just in case anything happened to my phone, because I would hate to lose those precious pictures that I took with my phone and I can never replace them. So my recommendation is, if you're going to transfer to a new phone, get rid of all the stuff that you don't need on the old phone and don't transfer all that junk over. Start off with a clean slate as possible. So take out the trash and don't take the trash to the new house. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching it. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.